Today's video is about the magic ring. There's a lot of different ways to do it. I think it's really about finding the one that works for you. And today I'm going to show you how I do it. You got your tail end of your yarn. You need your hand. We're going to need index finger and middle finger. These two, just try to keep them out of the way a little bit. And then take your tail and drape it over your fingers like this. Hold it down with your thumb to secure it. Then we're going to wrap this part here around these two fingers. So we go up and back down and back up. And now we're going to cross our yarn like this. And then you have to find a way to hold it somehow with the same hand. For me, it works best to use just my pinky. You can use pinky and ring finger, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter how you do it. You just have to find a way to hold it so you have your other hand free to use the hook. And take your hook and you slide your hook underneath the loop in the front. And then you grab this part here, the one in the back, and you pull it to the front and pull up a loop like this. Looks like this. And now you're gonna yarn over with the bit that goes to your pinky. You grab it, yarn over, and pull it through the loop. Just like this. And that's already all you have to do. Now you can take the entire structure of your fingers, be a little careful. And you got your magic ring. Looks like this. You can check if you did everything the right way by pulling on this part here. When you pull it, then the loop over your hook needs to tighten like this. And when you pull the tail, the magic ring needs to get smaller, just like this. Then you know you've done everything the right way. So now you're ready to work your stitches into your ring. Really important, I think a lot of people do that. They make their mistake at first. You do not work the stitches only into the ring, you also work them over the tail. So these two here, that's where you work your stitches over. When it comes to holding everything while you work your stitches, for me it works best to pull the magic ring so it's already kind of small. And I try to hold as much as possible off the ring while I work my stitches. So let's work our first single crochet. That's what it looks like. These are our two important bits here. Let's do it 5 more times. Okay, that's our stitches and our magic ring. Now when you pull on the tail, what needs to happen is this. It pulls closed, just like this. And that's really all there is to it. I hope I was able to help some of you. You're more than welcome to leave comments or ask questions. And maybe till next time.